Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie and
I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting.
Yes,
we see it, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
And the link for all the recipes is in the description. So Angie, what are we making today?
So today we are going to make chaps. Chaps, yes, chaps means chaps. Yeah, so what we have here, we have minced meat. You can mince this on your own, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, you can just buy meat and then you beef and then you chop.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we have some spices here. You can use spices of your choice. We have some flour, some chopped onions, an egg, salt, garlic, a little ginger, green pepper, chopped coriander, and then breadcrumbs. So this is so easy. We are going to add some salt as you mix it up. Give it a good mix. Right there, doing well. Garlic, ginger, good mix. You like a lot of ginger?
No, a lot of garlic.
A lot of garlic, eh?
Actually, I like garlic, but I like it really fine.
Oh,
I don't like
I do mine chunky for the most. That's how we differ. Yes. So onions in there, coriander. There are things I like. Kuba what to gain, you know.
It's like a one-pot meal. Like
yes, a casserole. Like, yeah, to marinate. You know what I'm saying? So then, so what happens with the breadcrumbs and the flour and the egg? What we want is to make sure that this thing comes together, that meat comes together.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just a little bit of egg. We're going to add some flour. Again, we want it to come together. So you need to use your hands. Remember, we wash the hands, they are clean. That's good. Yeah, so you want it to just bind easily. Good.
It's a bit messy.
Yeah, so you can mince any meat. You can mince chicken, you can mince lamb, you can mince goat.
But I tell you what, I would already go for something beef.
Oh, beef, eh?
There's something about beef.
Oh. So so we dust the table with some maize flour. Maize flour is a very good one. It helps it to not stick. So then we are going to put it here.
And, can I have a teaching moment there?
Yes.
So it doesn't stick because it doesn't have gluten in it.
Yes.
So that's why it's very perfect for this.
We press down to make circle. So today I wanted to try out something. Normally I eat chaps just alone or maybe with fries, but I wanted to make patties out of them, burger patties out of them. So let's see how it turns out. We are learning together.
I think that's interesting.
Is round coming round or it is becoming a map of Africa?
Map of Africa, I think.
Map of Africa.
But what matters is the flavor.
Yes. So we are done making our circles, and make sure you use enough maize flour so that they don't stick. Yeah, so we also have an egg here. You beat the egg and season it with some little salt, and then our oil is heating up here. So what we are going to do, we are going to double fry. Double fry is when you fry the first time, like now after I have dipped them in the egg and then I put in the oil, and then again I dip in the egg and put in the oil. What I want to achieve is a crispiness on the outside and a golden brown color as well on the outside. So please, the first fry should be on medium heat so that your meat can cook through well on the inside. Give it a good mix here. The first batch is done. So you just remove them and place them on on our plate right here. So those are waiting for another fry. So here we go with our second batch. So again, when you use maize flour, it will help the patty or the chaps not to come apart when you dip it in the egg. We are going to do the double fry. Very easy. Again, dip them in the eggs, and you first wait for this oil to heat up. Let me first heat up really well so that we can have a golden outside and golden and crispy. These are crispy. They are crispy on the outside and they are golden brown. So take them out and just pat them with a kitchen towel to remove any excess oil. Good. Kitchen towel, pat them, remove any excess oil. Yeah, so our chaps is ready.
Sure.
So like I said, I want to try out something. I want to use them as patties on a burger. Yes. So we have some sauce here. Please spread some sauce on our burger bun. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Be generous. You don't want to have a dry burger. Yes. So I can put that there. So as she spreads some more sauce onto that, we are going to add some lettuce. So our lettuce was already dipped in some vinegar and water. Yes, some vinegar and water. Enough lettuce
and enough mayo.
So there we go.
Two of them.
Yes, please.
You're so generous, Chef.
Yes, we should do this. This is nice. So just need some salt here, and then top it up with chaps ready, and the burger is ready. So I don't know, this is so heavy. It's so heavy.
I don't know, I feel like we're using one patty
from one party. Yeah, you don't want a double decker.
Yeah, I don't want a double decker. I feel like it's overwhelming.
Okay, let me do the same.
Okay.
Cheers.
It's more like a burger patty.
Yes.
Someone can't even tell it's a chop.
Oh wow, that was one savory, delicious bite.
I agree with you.
Yes, like I flew.
Where?
I don't know.
Where did she go?
I don't know.
So for all the videos, the recipes, please check in the description bio.
Yes.
And we can't wait for you to come join us for the January intake here at the 7-Star Culinary Institute. We have diploma, certificate, short courses, name it. we are ready to serve you. And this December we have kids programs. So if you want your children to just get another skill or gain another skill, please bring them at the 7-Star Culinary Institute. We have the best deals this December.
Yes.
So until next time,
Bye.
yeah.